Meta is once again pushing the boundaries of wearable technology and redefining what the future of human-computer interaction might look like, as a massive leak has now revealed a brand new pair of Ray-Ban smart glasses with a futuristic head-up display. Controlled in part by Meta's advanced SEMG Wristband technology, and this leak has sparked immense excitement across the tech community because it gives us our clearest look yet at what Meta is planning to showcase at its upcoming Meta Connect 2025 event. An event that is already expected to dominate global tech headlines. And now with this leak, the hype has reached even higher levels. So let's break down everything you need to know about these leaked Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses, how they compare to previous models, what new features they bring, why the SEMG Wristband is such a revolutionary input device, and what this means for the future of wearable computing, because this product might just be the bridge between today's smart accessories and the full-blown augmented reality headsets of tomorrow. And the story begins with a video that was accidentally published on Meta's own YouTube channel, though it was quickly pulled down, but not before Upload VR and other outlets managed to capture all the key details. And the video clearly shows multiple devices, including Meta's current Ray-Ban Meta glasses, the Oakley Meta HSTN glasses, the rumored Oakley Meta Sphera glasses, and most importantly, the never-before-seen Ray-Ban Meta display glasses that integrate a unique HUD visible only to the right eye. And what makes this display so intriguing is how it blends simplicity with functionality, because unlike the bulky and fully immersive AR prototypes, such as Meta's Orion glasses, this version takes a lighter, more practical approach, offering essential features like Meta AI queries, turn-by-turn on-foot navigation, and contextual notifications directly in your line of sight without overwhelming your vision. And paired with this display is Meta's cutting-edge SEMG wristband, which might just be the single most exciting piece of this leak, because this wristband uses sensors to detect muscle signals in your arm and fingers, allowing you to literally type or swipe across any surface without needing a physical keyboard or touchscreen, meaning you can perform actions like sending a message, controlling music, or navigating through apps simply by flicking your fingers in the air or on a tabletop. And that level of control is something we have only seen in futuristic concept videos until now. But Meta seems ready to bring it to consumers. And of course, such innovation does not come without trade-offs, because reports indicate that these new Ray-Ban Meta display glasses will weigh around 70 grams, which is about 20 grams heavier than the existing Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses that weigh just 50 grams. And while 20 grams may not sound like much, in a device you wear on your face all day, weight is a very critical factor, and price is also something to consider, with leaks suggesting a starting price of around $800, which positions these glasses as a premium but not unattainable device, especially when you compare it to high-end AR headsets that cost thousands of dollars. And another interesting part of this leak is the corporate drama behind the scenes, because EssilorLuxottica, the massive eyewear conglomerate that owns Ray-Ban and Oakley, was reportedly hesitant to release a bulkier pair of glasses under the Ray-Ban brand name, fearing that it might dilute the brand's fashion-first reputation. But Meta's $3.5 billion investment into EssilorLuxottica, which bought them a 3% stake in the company and is on track to increase to 5%, has given Meta significantly more influence over which products can carry the prestigious Ray-Ban label, and that explains why these new smart glasses, despite being heavier, are still coming under the Ray-Ban branding rather than as a generic Meta device, because Meta understands the importance of style and legacy in convincing mainstream consumers to adopt wearable tech. And it's clear that Meta is carefully positioning these glasses not as a niche gadget, but as something you could genuinely wear in public without feeling like a cyborg, which has been one of the biggest challenges for AR and smart glasses adoption over the past decade. And in terms of design, the leaked video shows that these glasses retain the classic Ray-Ban aesthetic, meaning casual observers might not even realize you are wearing high-tech hardware, and that stealth factor is essential for mainstream adoption. But the real breakthrough is how Meta has managed to shrink a functional display and integrate it with such a natural design. And what's even more exciting is how the SEMG wristband complements this design, because instead of adding awkward touch panels to the frames or requiring voice commands for every action, users can now discreetly control their glasses by simply moving their fingers, which create a much more natural and socially acceptable user experience. And when you think about it, This could be the missing puzzle piece that allows wearable AR-like devices to become a daily driver, because typing in the air or swiping invisibly across your hand sounds far more natural than loudly shouting, "Hey Meta," in a crowded street. And this leak also hints at Meta's larger strategy, because while this product is not a full AR headset like the Meta Orion prototype, it is clearly a stepping stone toward that future, offering enough utility and innovation to excite tech enthusiasts while being light enough and stylish enough to appeal to the everyday consumer. And if Meta can successfully position this product as both a fashion accessory and a productivity tool, it could carve out a market segment that sits between basic smart glasses and high-end AR headsets, effectively priming consumers for deeper AR adoption in the years to come. And timing is everything here, because the official debut is expected at MetaConnect 2025, with the main keynote scheduled for Wednesday, September 17th at 5 p.m. Pacific Time, followed by a developer keynote on Thursday, September 18th at 10 a.m., and we can expect this product to be the crown jewel of the event, given how much excitement the leak has already generated. And if this plays out the way Meta hopes, these Ray-Ban Meta display glasses could spark a new wave of interest in wearable tech, much like the original iPhone did for smartphones, because they represent a product that is not about replacing your phone, but enhancing it in ways that feel seamless and futuristic. And for $800, if Meta can deliver polished hardware, strong battery life, reliable display quality, and responsive SEMG input, then this product could very well become the defining wearable of 2025, and more importantly, it positions Meta as a leader in AR-driven consumer devices, a space where Apple, Google, and Samsung are all preparing their own moves. So the stakes are incredibly high, and this leak shows that Meta is not holding back. So the question is simple. Are you ready to wear the future on your face? Because from what we've seen, the Meta Ray-Ban display glasses paired with the SEMG Wristband might just be the smartest, most stylish, and most practical wearable yet. And we'll know for sure when Meta officially pulls back the curtain at MetaConnect. So stay tuned, because the future is coming faster than you think. And as always, this is TechVerse.